Hey guys, what's going on? It's David Mueller from Monetary Ocean, and I was recently talking to some people who drop ship, and they were telling me they've never used like a cash back thing with their drop shipping or their Aliexpress. So I was super confused by this because I've been using Ebates for a long, long, long time. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but they do a super good cashback program where they literally send you checks in the mail, which you can't beat a check in the mail because they give you cash back on websites that you're already shopping. They do like Amazon, they'll do Walmart, Target, all types of websites, and they give you free cash back. So if you're spending a lot of money online, you're making a lot of money back. And especially because AliExpress is one of these websites with the cash back, if you're selling, thousands and thousands of units online, you have to order them. Well, guess what? That's cash back. You understand what I'm saying? So go check this out real quick. So this is something that a lot of people I know aren't taking advantage of. This is direct cash back from online purchases. So it's called Ebates or Rakuten, which is just bought out not too long ago. It's been centralized. And so you get direct cash back from shopping on websites that you're already going to be shopping on. That includes eBay, Nike, like you can see right here. And if you're drop shipping, they have AliExpress for a 3% cash back, which is pretty decent considering the lower end is about 1% all the way up to 10%, which is kind of rare, and it's only for select categories on certain websites. But 3% cash back is pretty meaty, so we just go ahead and do shop now. And I recommend you get the actual Rakuten or Ebates Chrome extension because it'll show up whenever you go to a website that has cashback savings. It will alert you to go ahead and activate it, which you have to activate it whenever you go to a website. But you just go ahead and do that. Alright, so take a look at it like this. So let's just pretend we're going to be drop shipping these shoes, and it's going to cost us $13.50. And with the 3% cashback, we're going to get about 40 cents per unit. But like I said, we're drop shipping, right? So our goal is to sell a lot of these units, and so that will add up really, really quickly. So let's just say on a lower end, we're going to do about 500 units. So let's pull up the calculator real quick. And just to show you guys, 3% is going to be 40 cents. So let's just times that by 500 and see where that gets us. So $202 added cash back, directly to you. No gimmicks, no catches. This might, 40 cents is straight up pocket change, but $202, that's game changing. That's an extra $100, $200 on ad spend, which is going to boost you up to more and more sales. So let's just see. Let's scale it up to 10,000. You get the picture, $4,000. So the money just rolls in basically for free. You don't have to really do anything. I wouldn't call it free because you're actually paying for the product, but this is money that you're missing out on if you're not actually using Ebates. So I have a link below if you want to use that. You gain an extra $10 if you sign up with me. I do get some money as well, $25 to be exact. I don't really care if you go through my link at all, but I do just want people to use this because it's super beneficial to get cash back for doing things that you're going to do already. So, that's all I have to say. This is David Miller from Monetary Ocean. Don't wait, dive in.